This is Richard Louch, CEO of CapConnectPlus. Joining here are my co-founders Eric Ball and Suresh Pereira. Between us, Eric and I have decades of experience as treasurers at Starbucks and Oracle. Suresh was a long-term senior executive at Fidelity. We created CapConnectPlus to address one of the biggest sources of friction companies face when raising capital, the legacy investment bank system for corporate bond issuance. This market is huge. Last year, investment-grade bond issuance was $1.2 trillion. For many years, the big investment banks have controlled the process with a black box system that is outdated, expensive, and quite frankly, deeply frustrating for treasurers. There are four main problems in the bank system. First, the banks charge issuers a high set of fees. These average 55 basis points of the money raised. That's going to work out to almost $12 billion in fee revenue for the investment banks this year. The second major problem is the banks control how the deal is priced, telling the issuer and investors what they think the coupon rate should be, instead of letting supply and demand dictate the market. The banks set coupon rates too high and use this excess coupon value to reward investors at the issuing company's expense. Despite this, most bond investors are not well served by today's process. That's because the banks also control how the bonds are allocated to each buyer, and they play favorites. There is no transparency to how this happens, and the treasurer, bizarrely, has almost no say. The banks use their position to reward their favored clients with generous allocations. That favored group is very small, just a handful of the largest bond funds who have big trading relationships with the banks. Everyone else is shortchanged. The fourth problem is the very antiquated communication methods and manual processes still employed by the banks today, so that pricing and allocation can literally take an entire day. Our solution is created by treasurers, for treasurers, and their investors. It's a technology platform that connects companies issuing debt directly with their institutional buyers. It changes the game by putting corporate treasurers in control of the process. We believe CapConnectPlus is unique in truly addressing the market failures around pricing, fees, and transparency. We solve these problems through our rules-based auction platform. We dramatically cut the fees to issuers. On a typical $1 billion deal, an issuer would save $4.5 million with CapConnectPlus. Investors will place firm bids on price and volume, allowing the market and not the banks to set a fair coupon price. Based on academic research, this will save issuers a further $3 million. Our go-to-market plan focuses on product validation with real enterprise customers. We have already validated demand with blue-chip customers on both sides of the market. We have 10 major customers on track to begin beta testing our issuer platform starting in October. Included in this test are Nike, Pfizer, Starbucks, and Lord Abbett. Along with developing our customer base, we will be moving the beta platform into a full production version. Our CTO, Armin Salakian, is leading this process. He has a proven track record of launching technology that meets the needs of capital markets customers. He created the bond trading platform that is used at Charles River today. This is a relationship-driven market. We will invite one company from our beta test group to work closely with us to launch our production platform with a live issuance in the first half of 2021. This first issuance will be a groundbreaking event in the capital markets industry. It is certain to be covered by major media outlets such as the Wall Street Journal, New York Times, and CNBC. Our team understands the importance of this moment, and we will ensure that this first deal is executed flawlessly. We set out to eliminate one of the biggest sources of friction that companies face when raising capital today. The problems I described to you today are common to many other areas of the $41 trillion US bond market. We can eventually grow into non-investment grade debt, municipal bonds, commercial paper, and other financial products. Thank you for your time, and we'd love to answer any questions you might have.